So another quality product from Celtic Fireworks, OMG. Now what I tend to find is that when people come in my shop, they look at a Celtic product and it's not the most appealing packaging. You know, when you consider it to this one like Hydra by Yogi. Folk are always attracted to fancy, colourful packaging, but I always say to them, it's not about the packaging. You know, that's not going to put the effect up in the night sky for you. It's about what's inside this product, and believe you me, this is packed with quality. You've got lovely red, blue, green strobes with tail. Absolutely fantastic piece. It's 36 shots. You've got 30mm bores, so biggest bore size you can get in a firework, and also there's 792 grams of powder weight, NEC powder weight in it. So fantastic product. Watch the video, and thanks again for watching.